Hey agents, if EXP Realty revenue share sounds like Hogwarts magic, here's the deal. It's not a trick. It's a system. The agents cashing $10,000, $25,000, even $100,000 a month checks, they aren't lucky. They picked the right sponsor team and let the machine run while they sold houses. You want the same? So let's get to it. I'm Carrie Hill, lawyer turned realtor, EXP certified mentor, and sponsor team leader, where we provide more free value than anyone else in the real estate business. Seriously, I'm not kidding. To learn more, check out smartagentalliance.com. And by the way, that's why Smart Agent Alliance exists, to strap a rocket to your back instead of a 50-pound backpack of figure it out yourself. We built systems that grow your production and your passive income at the same time. Revenue share fundamentals. Think of revenue share as a toll road that only collects when real estate business actually happens. Every time a home closes, a small piece of EXP's company split from their 20%, well, that gets redistributed to agents in the network. It's not taken out of your recruits' pockets, so you're not skimming off your friends' commissions like some bad pyramid drama. The money flows because houses close, period. Here's how it works in practice. Revenue share payouts land monthly, usually by the third week of the month, and the structure pays out by EXP's 7 tiers. The first 3 tiers unlock automatically. If you want to unlock the deeper levels, all the way to 7, you can do it 2 ways. By hitting production milestones like capping or icon status, those last for you for the next 13 months, or by sponsoring agents who actually produce, known as FLQAs. That means you don't have to choose between selling homes and building passive income. The system rewards both. And before you roll your eyes and ask, yeah, but is this real money or monopoly money? It's real. EXP paid out hundreds of millions of revenue share last year alone. I mean, like over 170 million. Those aren't pretend dollars or stock options that never vest. It's cold, hard income hitting bank accounts because real estate is being sold. That's the whole ball game. If you're getting any value out of this and not just using it as background noise, a subscribe would mean a lot. It tells us that this information is landing and motivates us to keep cranking out more of it for free. Thank you so much. Maximizing potential. The beauty of revenue share is that every agent, solo, team leader, or broker owners who have moved to EXP all start with the same foundation. You get monthly payouts that often run about 25% higher than the published minimums thanks to an adjustment bonus. And here's the kicker. You can actually retire and still keep the checks coming. Your income doesn't vanish the day you decide to stop showing homes. Try asking your old brokerage if they'll keep paying you after you hang up your lockbox key. You know they won't. On top of that, revenue share is willable, meaning it doesn't just sustain you, it can continue supporting your family, maybe for generations. Common challenges. Sponsor regret. Once you pick a sponsor, you're locked in. The only way to switch is to leave EXP for a full year, come back, and rebuild your entire downline from scratch. Not exactly a winning strategy. Doing that also nukes your revenue share and any invested stock. If you're already with EXP without a great supportive upline, a smart play is to use EXP's new co-sponsor program, which lets you bolt on powerhouse support without blowing up what you've already built. It's like upgrading your car's engine while keeping the wheels on the road instead of junking the whole vehicle just to change the radio. Recruiting fear. You don't need to become an agent recruiter in chief. You can choose produce plus attract, only attract, or partner with a sponsor team like Smart Agent Alliance that does the explaining for you while you keep selling. Legitimacy drama. No, it's not a pyramid scheme. Pyramids pay from signups. EXP pays from real estate closings. If no property sells, no money moves. That's not a hamster wheel. It's a machine that produces only when real work happens. FAQ. Will this annoy my sphere? Not if you do it right. Our webinars and content lets agents self-select. No awkward coffee ambushes needed. Getting started. Step 1. Pick the right sponsor. Too many sponsors dangle shiny promises, then they go for the upsell premium coaching packages and actually charge agents. Know what you're getting into. On the other hand, Smart Agent Alliance plus the Wolfpack gives you everything for free. We win when you win, so our business model is literally to be helpful, not to charge you for our work and time. We invest in your success. Our interest and yours are perfectly aligned. Why this matters. Revenue share is what transforms EXP from just another brokerage move into an actual wealth plan. With Smart Agent Alliance, here's what you get day one. Dual sponsorship, passive income systems, top coaching, real community, marketing assets, referral network. Smart Agent Alliance's focus is creating done-for-you systems so that you don't have to sit through another training just to implement something. You stay focused on production while we handle the heavy lifting, all at no extra cost. EXP Revenue Share isn't about memorizing another comp plan. It's about freedom, scale, and passive income that works even while you're asleep. For full details and FAQs, check out our blog, EXP Realty Revenue Share, Complete Guide for Agents. The link is in the description. If you want my direct help for free, click the link in the description to book our webinar, then schedule a call with me. Let's chat about taking your business to the next level. And there should be some more videos above me right now about EXP Realty and our sponsor team. Thank you for watching and have a great day.